Hi guys, if your thigh is fatty then do this 4 exercise and get fit thigh in few days. So let's start. First exercise is standing kickbacks. In this exercise, stand straight and your hands will be front and then bend your one leg to back side and then bend other leg. This will active your hamstring and quads. Second exercise is pendulum legs. In this exercise, stand straight and your hands will be front and then raise your one left leg left side and then raise right leg right side. This will active your hamstring. Third exercise is lying hamstring curls. In this exercise, lying down on floor but to the stomach and then bend your legs to the butt, then return legs to the floor. This will active your hamstring muscles. Fourth exercise is sitting leg raise. In this exercise, sit on the chair and then raise your legs to the upward direction, then return legs back to the same position, then repeat. This will active your quads muscle. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.